Honey, stop the car. 4817 Maple Avenue is a showstopper. Let's go take a look. The perfect La Mesa family home awaits you. With year-round warmth, take advantage of the splendor that this home offers with a pool, deck area, large patio, and grill that's perfect for entertaining. This home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with a 2-car garage, and space for a potential ADU, granny flat, or studio in the back for the savvy investor. Ample storage within the house as well as below it, you truly have it all. This stunner is located on a corner lot sitting at 7,000 square feet, with plenty of surrounding foliage to create privacy. This quiet neighborhood is part of the La Mesa Spring Valley School District, one of the most sought-after school systems throughout San Diego. For your private tour, reach out to me today, 619-966-8112.